Hello everyone, it's Dr. Taiba and today we will learn how to calculate prostate volume on ultrasound. Prostate measurement is clinically important examination commonly preferred to assess benign prostatic hyperplasia, lower urinary tract symptoms or for treatment planning. The prostate can be evaluating using either transabdominal ultrasound or transrectal ultrasound. Although transrectal measurement is more accurate, we will only be focusing on the transabdominal approach because it is more commonly used. To accurately measure the prostate, it is essential to obtain true orthogonal ultrasound planes, a transverse view, and a sagittal view. These planes allow us to capture the prostate's maximum dimensions in three directions. The prostate or axial view is used to measure two dimensions: the width, which is the maximal transverse diameter, and the height, which is anterior posterior diameter. This view is typically obtained at the level where the prostate appears largest. The sagittal or longitudinal view is used to measure the length, which represents the maximal craniocaudal dimension of the prostate. This view is obtained in the midline of the gland. First, obtain a transverse image of the prostate at its largest diameter using the calipers. Measure from the left lateral outer edge of the prostate to the right lateral outer edge. This measurement represents the width. This is how it is measured in these two images. Then on the same transverse image, measure the anterior posterior diameter. Place one caliper on the anterior outer margin and the other on the posterior outer margin of the prostate. This measurement represents the height. Next, switch to a mid-sagittal view of the prostate. Measure from the base of the prostate, which lies adjacent to the belt neck down to the apex. This craniocaudal measurement represents the length of the prostate. Once the three dimensions length, width, and height have been obtained, prostate volume is calculated using the ellipsoid formula, which assumes the prostate has an ellipsoid shape. Prostate volume is equals to length into width into height into 0.52. This is the formula. The factor 0.52 is derived from the mathematical formula for the volume of an ellipsoid. Let's look at an example. If the width of the prostate is 4 centimeters, its height is 3.5 centimeters, and its length is 4.5 centimeters. Let's apply the formula, which is length into width into height into 0.52. 4.5 into 4.0 into 3.5 into 0.50. It is equal to the 32.8. So the estimated prostate volume in this case is 32.8. The ultrasound machine automatically calculates the volume once we input the three measurements. But if you want to calculate it manually, you can use this formula. In adult males, the normal prostate volume is usually less than 30 ml. Prostate weight is approximately equal to the volume in grams. After the age of 40, prostate volume increases by approximately 0.44 ml per year. Volume above the normal range are commonly associated with benign prostatic hyperplasia, particularly in symptomatic patients. The volume we got in our example was 32.8, so it is above the normal range and indicates mild prostate enlargement. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more imaging and informative videos.